This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will discuss module 30 and the topic name is switch case statement in Java programming language. So let's start. Switch case is alternative to if else statement. Switch statement can have any number of possible execution paths. A switch case works with the following primitives types. So here are the primitives with which switch statement works. Number 1, byte. Number 2, short. Number 3, character. Number 4, integer. Since all are case sensitive, so we should take care that all the characters should be small, because if we type capital letter anywhere by using defining the data type in Java, we will receive an error. So these are the primitives types with which the switch case work in Java. The case has to have break statement, else the control will fall through to next case. A switch case can also have default statement that will be executed. False statement that will be executed when none of the case condition match. So let's execute a program to understand how to use switch case with integer in Java. So here we are viewers at the Java Eclipse IDE to execute the program, and here we will type the project name as using switch case with integer. Click on the next button, click on the finish, and then type over here program temporarily, create a module temporarily. Right click on the module, delete it, pressing OK button. Right click on the src folder, go to the new option. From here we'll click on the class, type name as program, and click on the public static void main method. Here we will type comment description of the program, that this program is used for using switch case with integer. So under the class program we will type public static void switch ops, name of the method having parentheses and braces, and at this structure we will type and declare a variable name integer day equal to 1. So we're going to check this day using the switch statement. We'll type the switch keyword and pass day as a parameter in switch to check the day against the values we're gonna give with the case statement. So first case is case 1, integer, and we will type system dot out dot println and type enclosed in double quotes Sunday. So first day is a Sunday. Likewise, we will be typing more cases till we reach case 7 and type the name of all the weekdays, like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And the second case we will type case 2 and type the name of the day as Monday. And then the third case, so why we are receiving this red line error? Because it's the value we are using over here, case 1 and 1 all are same. So if we just drag our mouse to the cross, we can see duplicate case. Duplicate cases are all not allowed in Java or in any other programming language, so we should take care of it. So the third case 3 is the name of the day is Tuesday, and the case 4 is name of the day is Wednesday, and case 5 is name of the day is Thursday. Case 6 is name of the day is Friday. In case 7, the last case is, because there are total 7 days in a week, so we will type the last as Saturday. So all cases are completed, but we need to take care that whenever we are typing any statement under the case statement, we should type break to close it. Otherwise the case is gonna check all the cases, so it's gonna check all the cases and display all the output on the screen. Like if I don't type break like over here and just call the above as call the name of the method, which is switch OPS, and try to execute this program without typing break. Switch OPS is the name of the method we have just declared above. So I'm going to run this program. We'll see the output. If you don't use a break, then you can see all the output. So the switch gonna check all the cases as Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. But since we have given the day as 1, so the output should be Sunday, because it is checking against the value 1 with case keyword. So it's very important to type default with every case statement. So break is not default, so I'm gonna type break over here. So we need to type break with every single case statement, because once it will check the case with value 1, the output Sunday will be displayed on the screen and there is a break. So a break will actually stop the execution from this case statement and the control will be transferred outside the structure of this switch OPS method. And the main method where it is the method switch OPS is called, the value will be returned and will be displayed on the output screen. So I'm going to type break with all other case statements, which are very, very necessary to type, otherwise you will see the output. So I didn't type the break with any of the case statements, so you see the output as all the name of the days. So if I type break, so this case is gonna check value 1 with this variable day, because this day is passed as an argument and it contains the value 1. So case is going to check all the values one after another, but since the first value is 1, so the here the output will be displayed as Sunday on the screen, and after the break the control will be transferred outside of the structure and will be transferred where the function is called, and the switch will be terminated. so no more output will be displayed on the screen. So this is the advantage of break, that it actually terminated and break the execution of all other cases which are unnecessary and not required and doesn't match with the one passed in the as an argument with the switch statement. So default is also very important in using case statement. So if all other statements are actually don't match with the day argument passed value 1, so it just works like else statement, and it return a value which actually does not match if not passed as an argument with the switch statement. So I'm going to show you the output if it doesn't match the value passed as an argument. So what would happen? So invalidate. So since you can see the value is 1, so I'm going to rerun this program. So break is not required with the default statement. So the system is a keyword and as this should be capital. So I'm going to run this program, so you will see just Sunday on the screen because the value is 1 and it will check the day argument passed. The value is actually stored in day as 1, so day is actually an argument passed to the switch statement, and now day contains the value 1, so it will check one after another all the cases, and wherever it matches with the case statement, like at the first step it will match the case statement, so the output will be displayed on the screen with that case 1 in this program. So we will just see Sunday out as an output of this program. So I'm going to run it, so you can just see Sunday. So if I type day as 8, so you see first it will try to check against case 1, it will becomes false. Case 2, no, it becomes false because now this day contain 8, so 8 doesn't match with 1, 8 doesn't match with 2, 8 doesn't match with 3, 8 doesn't match with 4, 8 doesn't match with 5, 8 doesn't match with 6, 8 doesn't match with 7. So all other 7 cases become false, and the only one which is left behind is the all other one against all other above 7 cases, which is the 8th one, default one. So the output which we're gonna have now by typing 8 as a day will be invalid. So I'm gonna run this program and will show you the output, so you can see invalid day on the screen. So if you give any other value, like if I give 10, you always see an invalid day output because all above 7 cases don't match the value with the day which is passed as an argument to the switch statement. Again invalid. But if I give if I'm going to show Thursday, I need to type 5 over here because 5 matches with this case, and the Thursday will be displayed as an output on the screen. So let's see the output. So here you can see the Thursday. If you want to show Tuesday, you will need to type 3 over here. So it's very interesting as compared to the if else, which is a little bit complex as compared to the switch case statements. So you can see Tuesday, and if you give 7, you will see Saturday. So default just works like else. If all above condition become false, then the last one is the default statement, which will display the output on the screen in case if the value which is passed to the argument don't match with all other above cases. So it just works like an else statement in if else statements. So that's all, viewers. Thanks for watching.